Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. And like and share and subscribe. And as you can see, today we are going to talk about Spice. And before me say anything else, like what I say, it's a good look. Dancehall superstar Spice was claimed her place among Jamaican's music greats when she is crowned Queen of Dancehall at the 28th staging of the iconic Reggae Sunfest, scheduled to take place in July 20 to 18 in Montego Bay. Spice is internationally recognized as one of the most prominent dancehall artists of this age. Hits after hits over the decade, she also paved the way for younger generations of Jamaican female artists, many of whom are established in their own rights. CEO of Down Sounds Entertainment said Jamaican females have been taking a leading role in the music industry, both locally and internationally, and Spice has been at the forefront of that. Many young artists have her to thank for laying the foundation that has been led to their success. Spice has performed at Reggae Sunfest more than 10 times, so it's only fitting that she received the title on the stage. She is an amazing artist and we look forward to honoring her.